man, I can't Trish this. You know, send me message Trish from 4 hours ago. And I don't know Trish a message me back. So Trish must dead. Hold on there. Oh, Trish no message me the address yet. Let me check something, you know. But no, man, my data on. So she must get a message. But oh, me message her from 12. And at 4 o'clock now. And she says I day after that? No, man. Something must be wrong with her. Something better wrong with her. Hello?
Yo, what going?
I Trish this?
And I must Trish
No,
and my number
man, I can't Trish this. You know, send me message Trish from 4 hours ago. And I don't know Trish a message me back. So Trish must dead. Or Trish must have COVID. Matter of fact, Trish finger them must cut off because she didn't respond back to me.
You know me see a message and did I go reply?
So you did see a message. So why you did do it? They shot you? Eh? The message they shot you?
Man.
Why you can't respond? Hello, you take me back for chat to you? You take me back for chat? Are you message me first, you know? Are you message me first? And me respond back to you. All of a sudden you can't respond back to me? Yeah, I want Eh? You think so you better than me?
You didn't even say that, man.
You think so you better than me? Hello, let me remind you, you know. You know the other day when we come in your house. Remember, you know, a 2 different color socks you did have on, you know. So there's no way a girl can't afford the same color socks. Think that she better than me? Hello, both of my socks, them black, you know.
Hello, I
you
style,
want
you
the
know.
pink and green. So there's no way you think so you better than me.
No, man, I style, you know.
Listen,
no
hear me I tell you, right? Seeing as you don't want to respond, stay in your ways. Nobody respond back to me. Nobody respond on that. No, man, no.
Hey guys, first and foremost, I just want to thank you all for tuning into this video and I hope you enjoyed it. This week's shout out goes to Fatima Campbell Reed. Girl, thank you so much for your comment, for your support and for tuning into this video. And Gerald Brown, thank you so much for your comment and your support and for tuning into this video also. Thank you both for your constant support and thank you all for your support. Once again, guys, just a reminder, I have started my natural beauty business. This is my sugar scrub. It exfoliates your skin, it removes dead skin cells, and it leaves your skin feeling smooth and silky. So if you are interested, please check it out on my website at meliappeal.com. All the information will be in the description below. Once again, guys, thank you so much and I love you all. Bye.